everybody, welcome back. Happy Wednesday. So today we are making 3 recipes in one. We're making 3 of the most popular Harry Potter drinks. Today we're making Polyjuice Potion, we are making Butterbeer, and we are making Pumpkin Fizz. But yeah, let's get started. So first we're going to make the Pumpkin Fizz. What you want to do is combine some pumpkin puree and apricot juice into a bowl or a large measuring cup. Pour it through a cheesecloth into a pumpkin cauldron. So you're using cheesecloth because pumpkin puree can be quite gritty, so this is going to remove the grit. And I will also link that pumpkin cauldron down below because it is awesome. I love it so much. Then add some cream soda, some non-alcoholic apple cider, ginger ale, and some ice if you like. Mix it all together and you are done. Next is the frozen butterbeer. So first you want to blend some vanilla ice cream, some milk, some cream soda, some caramel syrup, and toffee nut syrup together in a blender. And I'll link the caramel syrup and toffee nut syrup down below. I got them from Amazon and they shipped next day, these things, which is really handy. And they're just going to give it more of a butterbeer flavor. Then squeeze some caramel drizzle into a tall glass. And so this is the kind of drizzle that they sell in the ice cream section, like the drizzle that you drizzle on top of ice cream. So when you're shopping, just take a look in that area. Then pour the butterbeer into the glass and top it with some whipped cream, some more of that caramel drizzle, and some edible gold stars, and you are done. And so I also want to let you guys know that this is quite sweet. So if you have a sweet tooth, this is great for you. I think kids will like it as well. I'm like the queen of sugar though, and it's too sweet for me, so just keep that in mind. And lastly, to make the Polyjuice Potion, first you want to pour some limeade into a bowl, and we're going to use frozen limeade here. I've had this as a kid, I didn't even know they still made it. I'm so excited. So you want to pour 2 cans into a bowl, and then add 4 cans worth of water into the bowl. So just fill up a can 4 times with water, and then add that. Then you want to also add some Sprite. And then to keep this recipe as authentic as possible, you want to add some lacewing flies, leeches, horn of a bicorn, some nutgrass, some fluxweed, and some boomslang skin. And you want to also add a procured part of the individual who you'd like to turn into. So we are using an eyeball today, which is arguably a little trickier to procure, but you could also use toenail clippings or dandruff, anything that you can think of. And if you like the actual ingredients that I'm using, I'll have those at the end of the video, so keep watching. Then if you'd like it to be a little bit more vibrant, you can add some green food coloring. Then just stir everything together, pour them into vials, and top them with silver stars, and you are done. So for the lace wing flies, I use raisins that I toss with edible glitter to make them look like little lacy, sparkly wings. For the leeches, I use black licorice. For the horn of a bicorn, I bought a drinking horn off Amazon. For the wreath of knotgrass, I used the candy rainbow ribbon, and I just tore off the green portion and tied it into little knots. For the fluxweed, I trimmed the stems off of some cherry gummies and added some frogs in, like some gummy frogs, not real frogs, oh my god. Just because I figured like toads or frogs might be mixed in with the leaves, I don't know. And then for the boomslang skin, I got some yellow and orange starburst, unwrapped it, and microwaved it for about 10 seconds or until it's just slightly malleable. And then just press them together to create one kind of sheet, and then tore that in half. And then for the eyeball, we use a gummy eyeball. Thank God. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. If you're new to my channel and are just tuning in, this week is a Harry Potter theme week. So I have 2 other Harry Potter recipes that I uploaded earlier this week, and I have 2 more coming next. So make sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out. And also I'm going to be doing a Harry Potter giveaway sometime during this month, and I would love for you guys to enter. It's going to be announced on the community tab on YouTube, so you only see that tab, I think, if you subscribe, as well as on Instagram and in the YouTube video, I think. So stay tuned, keep your ears peeled. No, that's weird. I don't know the saying, but anyways, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you tomorrow before I end the video. Bye.